Welcome to this healing meditation with MindLab Health. Find a quiet space to relax. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes if you wish. Let your body relax. Feel your body surrender to gravity. Notice your breath. Don't change it. Observe your body's rhythm. Be present in this moment. Release any thoughts or worries. Take a deep breath in. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, traveling down into your lungs. Feel your chest and belly expand with life-giving air. Notice how your body responds to this simple act of breathing. Hold it for a moment. Feel the stillness. Embrace the pause between breaths, where time seems to stand still. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension with your breath. Let go of any stress or worries that may be weighing you down. Breathe in peace and breathe out any stress or worry. Imagine the air filling you with calmness and serenity. Continue to breathe deeply. Each breath brings you deeper into a state of tranquility. Feel the rhythm of your breath like the gentle waves of the ocean. With each inhale, you invite calmness. Picture yourself drawing in positive energy and light. With each exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you. Imagine all negativity and tension flowing out of your body. Allow your breath to guide you on this journey of healing and relaxation. Let each breath be a step towards inner peace and balance. Feel the connection between your breath and the natural world around you, grounding you in the present moment. Imagine roots when growing from the base of your spine. Feel them extending down through the floor, deep into the earth. These roots connect you to the earth's energy. Feel the stability and strength of the earth flowing into you. Visualize the earth's energy as a warm, gentle light. This light travels up through your roots, filling your body with grounding energy. Feel your connection to the earth. Feel your worries melt away as you draw strength from the earth below. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a radiant white light above you. This is a healing light. It is filled with warmth, love, and peace. Gently, this light begins to flow down into your crown. Feel the warmth of the light as it bathes your scalp. This light carries away any tension or stress. It brings a sense of peace and clarity to your mind. Allow yourself to be enveloped in this healing light. The light continues to flow down, moving into your forehead. Feel your brow soften. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently caressing your forehead, melting away any stress or tension you may be holding there. Let go of any worry lines. Visualize the light smoothing out your forehead, erasing any lines of worry or concern. Allow yourself to feel a sense of calm and peace. The light washes over your eyes, relaxing your eyelids. Feel the gentle warmth as it soothes your eyes, releasing any strain or fatigue. Feel your eyes soften and release any strain. Imagine the light gently massaging your eyes, helping them to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. The light travels down your cheeks, softening your jaw. Notice how your jaw feels as the light eases any tightness or clenching. Feel your tongue release from the roof of your mouth. Allow your mouth to relax, letting go of any tension you may be holding there. Notice any tension in your neck and throat gently melt away. Imagine the light flowing down your neck, soothing and relaxing each muscle. Allow your head to feel light and free. Visualize the light surrounding your entire head, lifting away any remaining tension. Feel a sense of lightness and freedom as you let go of any stress or worry. The healing light flows down further, reaching your shoulders. Feel your shoulders relax and drop away from your ears. Any tension you may have been carrying in your shoulders simply melts away. It dissolves into the light. The light continues down your spine, bathing each vertebra in warmth and healing. Feel your back lengthening and relaxing. The light flows into your upper back, releasing any knots or tightness. Feel your chest open and your heart expand. The healing light gently flows into your stomach. Feel the warmth of the light soothe any tension or discomfort. It brings a sense of peace and tranquility to your core. Experience a feeling of lightness and ease in your abdomen. The light moves down into your hips, releasing any tightness. Feel the muscles in your hips relax and let go. This healing energy revitalizes your digestive system. It promotes balance and harmony within your core. NP, pause is take a deep breath and prepare to immerse yourself in a journey of relaxation and rejuvenation. The light continues its journey down your body, flowing into your thighs. Imagine this light as a gentle, warm stream cascading down, enveloping your thighs in a soothing embrace. Feel the muscles in your legs soften and relax. Each muscle fiber unwinds, releasing any built-up tension. Picture your legs becoming lighter, as if they are floating on a cloud. The light travels down your calves, releasing any tension or fatigue. It moves slowly, ensuring every part of your calves is bathed in this calming light. Feel the soothing sensation as it melts away any discomfort. Feel a sense of lightness and ease in your legs. Imagine yourself walking through a serene forest, each step effortless and free. Your legs feel rejuvenated, as if they have been given new life. Finally, the light reaches your feet. It wraps around them like a warm, comforting blanket, easing any remaining tension. It flows into each toe, bringing warmth and relaxation. Visualize each toe being gently massaged by this light, releasing any tightness. Imagine the light grounding you to the earth, bringing a sense of stability and peace. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground, as if roots are growing from your soles, anchoring you firmly. Feel any remaining tension drain away through your feet. Picture the tension as dark clouds dissipating into the earth, leaving you feeling light, relaxed, and at peace. Your legs and feet are now fully restored, ready to carry you forward with ease and grace. You are now completely enveloped in the healing light. Feel its warmth and energy revitalizing your entire being. Take a moment to rest in this feeling of complete relaxation and restoration. Slowly, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of peace and healing with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this session, please like, subscribe, and share. You can now slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face.